Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video we will see how to clear cache on Mac operating system. It's very simple tips and tricks. You can do same process and very easily delete unauthorized file or garbage files in your Mac operating system. So how to do it? Let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So simply click here as a finder and then enter here, go to particular folder and just type here library/cache, enter all garbage value in my operating system. So simply select all those and then command delete button and all garbage value are deleting. You can do same process as a daily routine and delete your cache files in your operating system. And second one, you need to install here like a clean my Mac and delete your cache. Suppose I open this clean my Mac application, scan here. So here cleanup are working, like a remove unneeded junk, like a 783 MBs, like a protection, searching and run. So you need to remove this one. So all junks are removed here, running maintenance space, flash, D&A cache and free up your RAM. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram, same Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.